film-driven camera. Like, no, you gotta hit the button.
No, I figured that out. Look at us. We're wearing our sunglasses today.
Yeah, totally.
What did you say earlier? Something about wearing your sunglasses at night only, and
Yeah,
here we are in the middle of the day.
That's a very dated comment and reference.
It's okay. We understand. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We've got something special planned for you all today as we're installing a Royal Flush on a Chevy C10. Now I'm a little disappointed because this Chevy C10 has a gold kill shot on it. Looks great, runs great. I'm a fan of it, but we're trying to upgrade it a little bit by adding the Royal Flush to it. Why would we do that, Tim? Why would we do that?
Oh, it's got rev limiters and all kinds of wonderful things. I want launch control for the C10.
Okay.
Because I want to take this kill shot off that makes 203 horsepower. I want to put the Royal Flush on it.
Mm-hmm.
Film doing it.
Right.
Touch on all the hot topics of it.
Little install video.
Little install video. Not as good as my YouTube stuff, but actually better with camera quality.
Exactly.
No, but yeah, we're gonna go for a little bit more power. We'll see what we can make out of a Royal Flush. Take the kill shot off, do that. We're going to try to take it to the dyno, see what kind of numbers we can put up, and let the self-tuning take over and just see how good it is and compare the two.
Yeah, I'm a little interested to see how we're going to install that ECU because, that Royal Flush has a little bit beefier of an ECU because of that CDI box. So I'll be interested to see how we go about mounting it and figuring out how to make it look just a little bit pretty as well. So we'll see how that goes.
Okay, yeah. Real estate is the issue with that. C10's got plenty of under-the-hood stuff. But then again, if you really get to looking, there's nowhere to really mount that size of ECU. I'm thinking we'll just remove the washer solvent bottle because it doesn't even work.
Yeah, I think that's probably the better option too. All right, are you ready to get into this?
I'm ready.
Oh, I'm so ready. Let's jump in.
Let's do it.
All right, Tim, what are we looking at right now?
Oh, we're back.
We're back.
We're back. No, we got the old kill shot off. Wiring harnesses, at best. But we're going to make that a little bit nicer. We're still going to utilize a Hall Effect distributor because I like it. And it's already in there, and I kind of wanted to show the main install of this whole gig.
Yeah.
But old ECU off, old wiring harness out. The O2 sensor still dialed in. I don't even need to change that thing. But yeah, we've got it all tore down. It's dirty in the hood here.
Yeah,
it's
she's
bad.
a little bit ugly, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
But that's part of it.
So. It's a shop truck. I mean, what are you gonna do? We can make it all polished up and pretty, but I'd rather take tech calls. I'll be honest.
Fair enough. Good point. Well, I'm sure everybody would have loved to hear you say that anyway. But
yeah.
Oh well. Cool. All right. So what's the plan moving forward?
We are going to mount the throttle body. We're going to lay the harness out and figure out where we're going to locate our ECU at. We're going to tie back into our power wire that runs back to the tank,
Gotcha.
positive and negative, or switch 12 volt and wire up our Hall Effects distributor, Hall Effect, not
Yeah.
Hall Effects.
Good job.
And,
That's why we pay you the big bucks.
Oh yeah. So we're going to get all that in, and then we're going to start it up and see how it does. Take it for a cruise.
I'm down with that.
Yeah,
You down with that? Of course you're down with that. That's why you're watching this video. All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's get it.
Look at us. We could sing. You want to sing?
Oh, I'm terrible at it.
Let's not sing. All right, so
Both of us products of high school drama class, and neither one of us can sing.
yeah.
Highly
Well, I don't
unlikely.
want to. That they don't want to hear that.
They don't wanna hear that.
All right, so here we are at the end of an install that I had no part in. I was in there answering phone calls, but
Oh yeah.
How did this go? Here we are.
Oh, it's fantastic, actually. So here's the thing. We mounted ECU to the inner fender. That's super cool. With this style, we used the Hall Effect distributor that was in with the kill shot. The Royal Flush will run on it too, but it's a little funny. You got to hook the signal wire from the Hall Effect up to the point wire in our system and call it point. But it's pretty accurate. I haven't tested it yet, so I'm kind of, we'll see the theory here in a minute, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
No,
I mean, you know about it.
Leak checked it, did the thing. We already know the timing's solid. It was solid on the last unit. Didn't even pull the distributor. Just reutilize that because it's actually kind of hard to get out.
Yeah. Well, I can
So-
see that. I see that you moved the coil as
Oh.
well as where you put the ECU
yeah.
on that, where the wheel is.
Yeah, I moved the coil up top because the length of the lead for it, not a big deal. I just wanted it to be prettier and not really be stretched too much.
Yeah.
Added a little extra wiring loom to the main power cables. I didn't want it sticking out looking so nasty.
Mm-hmm. It looks good.
Yeah, but
it looks good for a rust bucket.
yeah.
I'm
it's-
kidding.
Yeah. No, it's pretty dialed in. I got to tidy up some wires. I got some wires that's chilling over there. Need some zip ties or what have you not.
Yeah.
But yeah, this it ought to get it pretty good. So
I'm ready to hear it run.
I'm ready.
Do you wanna give her the beans, as you say?
Yeah, we could. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
Let's just have him start it.
You want to start it?
You want to start it? Get it,
Let
man.
the new guy start it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it, brother.